Welcome to the skEYEwatch installation guide for our sophisticated commercial vehicle camera system, featuring the skEYEvue mDVR. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to configure your system. Let's start by examining everything that comes with your new skEYEvue DVR. Inside your skEYEwatch package, you'll find several essential components. First is a mobile DVR itself, the heart of your surveillance system. Next, a bag that includes the power cables necessary for connection, the GPS and LTE antennas for reliable tracking and communication, and not to forget, the special key and fuses. Each of these items play a crucial role in the installation and functionality of your system. We'll explain more about each component as we go along. Now, let's connect the power cables. You'll find three primary leads in your kit: the 12-volt constant, being your red wire, 12-volt key power, being your yellow wire, and your black ground cable. Next, connect the camera cables. Depending on the model of your mobile DVR, most of our units can support up to 8 cameras. Each port of the device is clearly marked to simplify the setup. After mounting the GPS and cellular antennas in clear, obstruction-free locations, connect them to the respective ports on the mobile DVR. These connections are crucial for accurate GPS tracking and reliable data communications over our 4G network. If your system includes a touchscreen driver monitor, plug it into its designated port on the mobile DVR. This monitor not only lets the driver review recorded footage easily, but also serves as a live feed safety camera system, ideal for navigating through challenging terrain. That concludes the basic connections for your skEYEwatch system. It's now ready for initial configuration and testing. Remember, a secure and precise installation ensures your system operates efficiently and effectively. Thank you for choosing skEYEwatch. Drive safe.